Welcome to Design Center South, a Select Granite company, your specialist in unique living environments. We're the leading luxury natural stone supplier in the South with a full-service operation dedicated to meeting the interior and exterior finish needs in the residential, estate home, and commercial markets. And while our name is carved in stone, our services include personalized kitchen and bath cabinetry, outdoor kitchens and living areas, a full line of the finest appliances, individually designed hardscapes, and the cornerstone of our business, exotic natural stone and quartz countertops.
In all the companies that you deal with these days for product service, you almost expect not to be treated well or cheerfully or honestly, or that the service will be presented on time. And we were totally blown away with the way Select Granite handled each one of those things, that there was not only a cheerful atmosphere and honesty, and everything was presented exactly the way it was advertised, that it was enjoyable, it was no surprises in a negative way. It was just a great experience, and how nice to be able to affirm a company who does that these days.
My wife and I were undertaking a complete kitchen remodel at our home and wanted to update everything, and we looked and looked and looked at various suppliers for the types of solid surface or stone countertops that we were desiring. And when we arrived at Select Granite through a referral of a friend of mine, we were very, very welcomed, felt very comfortable, and they just, I don't know, sort of felt like you were dealing with family, to be honest with you.
Our experience with Select Granite was great. We drove past, saw the many slabs of granite along the roadway, and decided to check them out. Kristen was the first person we saw going in the door, and she offered to show us what was available. It was a very cold day, and she just got up and went right out into the lot with us and showed us any piece we wanted. If we had a question about something that was not available on the lot, she gave us information for distributors in Birmingham so that we could go find what we were interested in. We ended up selecting some of the product that was on the lot, and Kristen was just very helpful with any questions and the quote process.
As an industry leader, Select Granite markets, fabricates, and installs the most exquisite natural stone countertop products available, including nationally branded natural quartz, granite, and marble surfaces. Our new fabricating facility boasts the most technologically advanced equipment available, and our in-depth expertise with a variety of methods and techniques can resolve some of the most challenging situations.
We were able to see the actual templates that were measured in the shop before the actual stone cutting occurred. I thought that was really quite incredible, because there were a lot of seams that we had to deal with in terms of the stone layout and the coloration, and matching that up in a very seamless way was important to us. And we were able to take the templates and place those on the stone, and we were actually able to move those around to our satisfaction.
They used the computer to generate the layout, which was great. My husband is in manufacturing, so he was very excited to be able to see how they were going to use all the graining that was in that beautiful slab of granite.
We had a couple of changes that we had to make along the way, and they took those in stride with no difficulty, no problems, and kept us on our construction timeline.
Our mission is simple: to provide our customers with the highest quality of workmanship in stone while keeping our products affordable. We import only premium quality natural stones from the world's most renowned quarries. With over 1,000 slabs in stock in more than 100 colors, textures, and styles, we offer our customers the largest selection of natural stone in the South.
We had been to some other granite selection places in Birmingham and had to walk through grass, had to walk through dusty garages, and some of the granite wasn't even priced at the other places. Some was priced, but we had to find out days later. It was kind of frustrating. At Select Granite, however, The representative walks around with you, cheerfully describes the pieces and the availability. The prices are clearly marked on the granite. It's like going to Saks Fifth Avenue. It was awesome.
The selection was absolutely way beyond what I ever had imagined, and of course my wife was very excited about all the different options that she had, and she was very quick to narrow it down to 3 types of granite that she was interested in.
Product selection at Select Granite was wonderful. I was looking for grays and greens, and we also selected the white marble, which is beautiful, in with my blue paint in the bedroom and the bathroom. We picked a beautiful Wild West green that is very unique and had lots of different lines of graining in it.
How does the process work? It starts with a visit to our stone courtyard, where we'll assist you in ensuring that the stone you hand select will give you years of exceptional service and beauty. Once your stone is selected, we'll present an estimate based upon measurements provided by you or your contractor, designer, or architect. Once your old tops have been removed and the cabinet base is exposed and prepared, we'll arrange a convenient time to make a template or model of where your new tops will be installed by our team of talented craftsmen. If needed, we offer tear-out services of your old tops for a nominal fee. This can usually be accomplished in conjunction with the template process as we prepare the cabinet bases for your new tops.
The installation process was something I didn't quite expect. A very calm, composed, and well-planned person came to install our granite with plenty of help. It was very well planned. They had to do a little trimming outside. They carried it inside. It was a very quiet, calm, non-stressful situation. They were careful of our appliances that had just been installed. They were careful of everything. They double-checked measurements before they came in, and they were very professional and accurate.
They were able to install just within a very short period of time. We had looked at some other places, and it was going to be longer for installation. We've been doing this remodel over many years, and so it's been very nice to have that kitchen finally where we could use it again.
I got to tell you, these folks know what they're doing. They have a team of individuals that come out, and they're very, very meticulous and very, very careful, not just about the product that we purchased, but also about our residents in general. They came in, they measured, they remeasured, they made certain before they took the stone off the truck that was going to fit perfectly, not just to their satisfaction, but to ours as well.
At Design Center South, we pride ourselves on being on time and complete with your project in 10 days or less. We're also proud of our solid reputation of providing our clients with exceptional workmanship, timely delivery, and professional installation. And when we're through, you can be assured that you'll be proud of your new living environment.
I would totally recommend Select Granite to anyone, not only because of the wonderful product that we have and the way our kitchen looks, totally redesigned, and it's wonderful to even walk into the kitchen now and just stand and look at that beautiful granite, but because of the experience we had with the other companies around this area that were so, they weren't hard to deal with. It was just hard to get what we wanted and see what we wanted and see the prices. We are very happy with Select, every bit of the process, the dealing with the people, the selection, the delivery, the installation.
It makes you feel proud to undertake a project, have it all come together, and then not only for you to enjoy it yourself, but to have others, provide you positive feedback about your design and the materials that you've used.
The selection is superb. The customer service is above par, and we just couldn't be more happy with the selections that we've made in product and with the folks at Select Granite.